Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to add music in Instagram story. So first, open your Instagram app, and if you want to post a story, you just have to tap the plus icon at the bottom, and then right over here, go to your story, then tap on the gallery. So for example, I want to choose this one. Now, if you want to add music, tap on the sticker icon at the top beside that letter A. And right here, you can see that music icon. So you just tap this music right over here. So you can choose what music you want. And also you can tap on browse. So you can browse right here for date night, for R&B and soul, pop, bright, so different genres, moods or themes that you want. So for example, I want to tap these moods right here and go over to peaceful, and then you will find right here all the music under these peaceful songs. Now for example, I will choose this one, but you can see music only and there's no lyrics. But if you want to have a lyric, so go back to the music and you can see the letter E at the end of the song title, so meaning that there is a lyric. So right here, so if we tap this one, you can see the lyrics on this music. So you can adjust what the lyrics that you want to see on your post story. That's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.